So I just made a bunch of enemies for my game, and I just created some different tiers of the same class, and I'm just going to test them right now and just show you how I've done it. So all the logic is in the parent. Well, that's all there is, but all the behaviors and that are in the behavior tree, and there's like a projectile launching component, and all the damage and things is set up. And then all I've done is I've just created child blueprints of the same enemy, so the same behavior tree is running, same everything, but I've just created 5 instances where I've just changed the color of the eye, and then I've gone inside here and changed the projectile parameters, changed their health, changed their movement speed, and things like that. And what I've got is some like pretty diverse different AI just from the same blueprint, just because I've tweaked the variables, like the float values and things like that. And I might even give them different behaviors down the track, but not just yet. So I'm just going to play through them, and I'm just going to show you like how they look. So this is the first one. Simple projectiles. Can't really damage it with your laser, but you can get it with the sword. Okay, so pretty easy. Now the next one, quite a bit harder. Quite a lot harder actually. So let me just... So it's a bit faster, this one. More projectiles, faster projectiles. Strafes around a little bit more aggressively. Yeah. So more health than the last one as well. So still can't hurt it with projectiles, but I'll see if I can get in a second if I don't die. Fuck me, god damn. Alright, let's try again. I'll see if I can get in and kill it. Ooh, the dodging! Alright, gotcha. And the loot is different as well. I've given them different loot tables to drop different items. So that's that one. Now this next one is the same speed and the same health as the previous one, because I thought the speed and the health was good. And all I've done on this one is just change the projectile style. So let's have a look at the projectiles for this one. So it's like a fast barrage of many projectiles directly at the player, or at they're predicting. So like it's she's launching where she thinks you're gonna be. See that? I'll show you one more time. If I just keep a consistent... Oh, lost her sight. If I keep a consistent strafe, she's launching where she thinks I'm gonna be. Now I'll see if I can get in and fight her. Oh god. Yep, cool. Now, the next one, I think was the same deal again, but I changed the projectiles to be something different again. So let's have a look at how this one looks. These ones are just shooting all over the place, and you know what? There could be more of those, so I might add in a few more. So I'll show you how easy this is. You just go in here, projectile launching component. Here are all the settings. Let's give her even more error on her aiming, so that the projectiles just fucking scatter all over the place. Same speed. Let's give her 35 repetitions rather than 22, so we'll make it more than last time. Now, because that's going on for longer, I might need to increase the cooldown time on the blackboard. Let's see. The best thing to do is just put in some parameters and then test it and see how it feels. So, oh my god, they're all over the fucking place. Yeah, that's kind of cool actually, I like that. It makes you want to go and hide because you don't know like if you're going to be able to dodge it. Let's just see if I can dodge it one more time. Oh, good god. It's just sort of luck because they're too quick. Alright, so in which case, I might be able to drop that down to like... Well, actually, let's drop the aim error down a little bit. Maybe back down to 10. Might be good. I don't know. I'll tweak this after the video. But anyway, let me just show you the last one. Now the last one, I increased the movement speed again and increased the health again and gave her 0 aim error on her projectiles, so they're just directly at where she thinks you're going to be. And she's very fast, this one. Yeah, so that's a fucking deadly one. She's straight to the point. And if you stay in the one spot or keep a consistent, predictable movement, dead, straight up. You know, I could change the color of her body and stuff as well. So it doesn't need to be just the eye. Oh, good God. I like her. She's good, this one. Oh, fuck. Oh, man, she's fucking me up. She's too quick. Oh, shit. Get away. Oh, my God. Oh, fuck. Oh, crazy. And I'm going to put all of these in a wave arena in a moment, and someone's going to have to play through and fight them all one after the other back to back. Oh, but they should have prepared, because they're going to have a chance to get items and things like that. But yeah, so these AI, they're going in a game of mine called Ronin Infinite. And I'm building a wave arena right now, just like I just said, and it looks pretty fucking epic, actually. Should I show you? Let me just show you. What did I call it? Combat arena or some shit. Yeah, but that's how to make easy tiers and what you can do with different tiers. So this is my combat arena. Oh, Jesus. Alright, so let's just drop in. Yeah, Redstone Temple Ultimate Fighter. Get me the fuck out of here. Nah. Let's do this already. Alright, here we go. So we drop in this arena. Here we go. And there's no nav mesh in here because the nav mesh is going to be in the persistent map. And this is just a randomly spawning tile. So enemies spawn in like that, you beat them all, now we get some more. Yeah, and this is the first tier of that Lucy enemy that I was showing you. Yeah. But yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in all the different tiers, so you're going to have to fight them back to back to back to back. But yeah, so the game's Ronin Infinite, and there will be a link in the description most likely if you want to play it. So check that out. See ya.